Hi students, welcome back. Today let us start a new topic, chemical reactions, from the chapter 7 Atoms, Molecules and Chemical Reaction. So in this topic we are today learning about what do we mean by a chemical reaction and what are the different types of chemical reactions. The first is a chemical reaction. So in our daily life many a time we observe many chemical reactions which are taking place, like a burning of a wood, or a milk converting to a curd, or a digestion in the human body. All these are nothing but the chemical reactions. So let us have an overview what we already have learned in the previous classes. Let us see that. So there are certain pictures given, you need to answer them. First one, chemical reactions which are happening in our everyday life. The first one is combustion. What is combustion? It is nothing but the burning of any substance in the presence of oxygen or air. We call it as a combustion. Next, rust formation. Any metals are there, when they are exposed to the moisture or water, a formation of a brown color layer appears on the metal surfaces. That is nothing but a rust. Next, digestion in the human body. Next, photosynthesis. This is a method for preparation of a food for the plants. Next, the batteries. We find that batteries actually they have a charge. The charges reduces. Again we recharge the batteries. Next we have a fermentation. Fermentation is a process of breaking down of a complex molecules into a simpler one. Next one, washing. So when we wash, what are the things we observe? Nothing but the germs are killed, bacteria are killed. Next, baking of the substances. All these are the daily life examples for the chemical reactions. So if you want to know how a chemical reaction is taking place, what are the things we observe? There are certain things which we can see through our eyes. They may be called as a physical changes. And there are certain things which we cannot see through our eye, but they happen chemically. So they are nothing but chemical changes. So what is a chemical reaction? Let us see now. In a chemical reaction, atoms are neither created nor destroyed. This we have learned from the law of conservation of mass. Next, a chemical reaction is a process that is usually characterized by a chemical change in which starting material reactants are different from the ending material's product. A chemical reaction occurs with the formation and breaking of chemical bonds. Next, during a chemical reaction, what happens? What are the things? Let us see that. When a substance undergoes a chemical change, a chemical reaction has taken place. How do we know it? The reactions are known to produce unexpected color change. There may be a change in the color of a chemical. A precipitate is formed. Any insoluble substance formed, that is called as a precipitate. A gas is evolved, or a change in the temperature. Temperature may rise or fall. When the temperature rises, we feel hot. When the temperature falls, we feel cool. Common chemical reactions are rust formation, digestion of food, bleaching of a hair coloring done. Next one, milk souring. Milk turns into like sour. Next one, apples turning brown. When we cut the apple or any vegetable, the cut surface becomes brown. It is an oxidation reaction. Next, photosynthesis reaction and the combustion of anything. Next, let us see what do we mean by a chemical equation. What is a chemical equation? It is a representation of the chemical reaction in which reactants and products are expressed as formulae. A chemical reaction, whenever it is taking place, to the left side before reaction we take them as reactants. After the reaction we take it as a product. So a chemical reaction which is represented in a shorthand form using the symbols, we call it as chemical equation. A chemical equation is written as reactants arrow mark product. Arrow mark indicate direction. Reactants are the substances that undergo change. Products, they are the new substances formed as a result of that change. Example is carbon reacting with oxygen, we get carbon dioxide. C plus O2 gives CO2. Next one, breaking down of substances, sometimes it is involved. Water molecule breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. Water decomposes into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. The parts of a reaction what we have. Left hand side we call them as reactants. These react. Hydrogen, oxygen, they are reacting. What do we get? A water molecule, that is a product. Next, in a chemical reaction what generally happens is a rearrangement of the atoms. So chemical reactions involve rearrangement of the atoms in substances to form a new substance. A formation of a carbon dioxide and water molecule, how we get it? Methane gas react with oxygen. We get a carbon dioxide and a water molecule. So what are the reactants here? Methane and oxygen. What are the products from? Carbon dioxide and water molecule.